Okay. Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Saya dan rakan-rakan saya.
My name is Sharmila. I'm going to present about classifier, identifier, and data types. Identifier, variables, and constant. Definition of variable is a variable is a space in memory where a program stores data. Variable can also store numbers and letters, a memory location whose content and change. Identifier is a name provided to a.
Hi, I'm Pineka. Today I'm going to present is apply the basic of computer program. The main features of C++ language: encapsulation, data hiding, inheritance, polymorphism. Using C++, most reliable software development can be possible. It is the enhanced form of C programming language. It is much suitable for large projects. The language is efficient, having less compile time. Next is explain IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment for C++. An integrated development environment is an application that facilitates application development. IDE are designed to encompass all programming tasks in one application. Therefore, IDE offer a central interface featuring all the tool developer needs, including the following: code editor, debugger, build automation tools. In addition, some IDE might also include the following: class browser, object browser, class hierarchy diagram. The IDE may be stand-alone application or may be included as part of one or more compatible applications. And then do the lab activity 1. Then thank you.
Selamat sejahtera. Tajuk saya adalah Introduction to Fundamental of Programming. Pertama, source code. Source code is the actual text used to write the instruction for a computer program, and this text and install it into something meaningful the computer can understand. Lepas tu, passing source code. Dia ada tiga code, itu passing source code, compiling source code, lepas tu interpreting source code. Passing source code ialah break up into smaller parts. Lepas tu compiling source code refers to turning it into an actual program, and interpreting source code refer to turning it into an intermediate form which is executed by a program called an interpreter instead of turning source code directly into machine code like a compiler does. Lepas tu compiler. Compiler adalah translate the whole program at the on time, translates the source code, for example C language to machine language. Ini adalah example saya bagi ni. Lepas tu linker. Linker is a program in a system which helps to link some object models of program into a single object file. It performs the process of linking. Linker and are also called in editor. Linking is process of collecting and maintaining piece of code and data into a single file. Lepas tu dia ada dua linking, iaitu static linking dan dynamic linking. Static linking adalah it is performed during the completion of source program. Linking is performed before execution in static linking. Lepas tu dynamic linking. Dynamic linking is performed during the runtime. This linking is accomplished by placing the name of a shareable library in the executable image. Lepas tu executable file. Executable file itu adalah the compiler takes the program code, iaitu source code, and convert the source code to a machine language model. It's called an object file. Another specialized program called in the linker combines this object file with other previous compiled object files in a particular runtime models to create an executable file. The example is the source code, compiler, object file, lepas tu linker tu runtime library files, lepas tu executable file. Selepas ni errors in programming. Dia ada compile time errors, iaitu occurs when the rules of programming language are not applied and correction is done during the program coding. The bug can be traced during the compilation, also known as a syntax error, must be corrected before executing and testing the program. Iaitu ini adalah example of compile time error. Lepas tu runtime errors. Runtime errors cannot be traced by a compiler. Okay, the while programming runs when the programming attempts an operation that is impossible to carry out, also known as a logic error. Example division by zero. Ini adalah example untuk runtime error dalam coding. Lepas tu logical error. Logical error adalah an error caused by following an incorrect algorithm, very difficult to detect and does not cause runtime error and does not display message errors. The only sign is a logical error incorrect program output can be detected by testing the program thoroughly, comparing its output to a great result. To prevent a careful test, checking the algorithm and written program before you actually type it. Then also known as a design error. Yang ini adalah suatu logical error lah dalam coding. Lepas tu debugging process using debugging tools. This is tools. Debugging tools are designed to help with stopping the execution of program at the specific points, detecting runtime to an logic error, understanding the behavior of error-free code. Program errors can be very tricky to isolate, and sometimes they occur to end of long series of calculation or after many iteration of a loop. Program execute very quickly and there is generally no opportunity to verify exactly what has been executed unless you build in diagnosed statement. Yang ini adalah satu contoh debugging process coding dalam coding. Sambung tu at runtime tu you can enter statements into a debug window. You can use in the display internal values without printing them to the actual forms. The debug window is an object which has a single print method. For example, the following line will send the name of the font. Use the label 1 to debug window at the runtime. Debug print label 1 from font name. The variables are constant can also be printed in the same way. Debug print incorrect day. Debug print like it reached here in the code. Note the VB program which is still running may use debug windows, thus remove these constants of debug window can be seen. Thank you.